Alright, so if you want to create funny viral style memes without editing images or thinking too hard about captions, yeah, AI can do that now. With Dola AI, you can generate meme ideas, captions, and even ready-to-use content in seconds. So in 2026, let's go step by step and create memes the easy way. First, open Dola AI in your browser or app. You'll see options for content creation like text, scripts, and memes. Now choose the meme generation feature. This is where you tell the AI what kind of meme you want. Next, type your idea. For example, student life before exams or low battery anxiety. The more specific you are, the better the meme. Now choose a style like funny, sarcastic, or relatable meme formats. Click Generate and let the AI create captions. It will automatically suggest funny and engaging text. Now select the best caption or edit it to match your style. You can tweak words to make it more viral or funny. You can also pair your caption with an image or upload your own. Once everything looks good, download your meme or share it directly on social media. So yeah, that's how to generate memes using Dola AI in 2026. Fast, simple, and perfect for creating viral content without design skills.